can't do nothing. Yo!
But our ball field today. Today is a ball day. So when I get some content of us playing football on a Sunday, talk to some of the ballers, the multicultural, different kind of vibes.
I think everybody come from a different country.
Yeah, that's one of the best things, you know.
Everybody come from a different country.
So when you see we have some of them perspective, because we interact with people from different cultures, different countries. I think we have a brother from the UK, we have a brother from France, we have a brother from Macedonia, Morocco. I don't know where the brother they come from, but him come from somewhere. Germany. Yeah, man. And then Yuri go forward from Equatorial Guinea. Vichy from India. enough people there who play ball with and think on Sunday.
And it's a regular Sunday this, you know, we try to play as much as we can get the numbers up. Have a nice game, you know?
Yeah. I want to, people don't realize the power of sports, you know. We always preach about the power of music, but the football is a uniting sport, you know.
Yeah.
When you see Mr. Orange president just say peace with the sport and them thing they want and get a peace award. Technically, FIFA should be doing that, you know. That.
Should be giving the peace award, FIFA?
No, FIFA can use it to justify, to support peace. Just like in Jamaica,
of course, yes.
When two warring communities attack each other at a war, then basically goes a boom bang.
So make we play it out on the field.
Put it out, yeah, and for the seconds so people can have something in common. A few seconds to make people realize it.
So we are all one.
We are all one. And you know, see just before we even start sweat and them thing there, may I pray, dog, and I say, no matter how we're different from the planet, we have something what overlap. When you're looking at the Venn diagram, you have something what overlap with somebody else. They feel like we just gotta ask the ball of them, run in and say something. And, you know, maybe just give them cake or something. So it's not gonna be a well-structured thing. It's just gonna be what a man want to say, what a man want to talk say.
Somebody's hot take on something, you know?
To everyone who's watching this, we're gonna play football because football unites people from all of the world. My friend here from Macedonia, I'm from Germany. We got people from America, from England. Really, football unites all of us, and that's why we love it.
Zizou!
Hey, how's it going, guys? We have a great game ahead of us. A lot of Europeans. I'm the only American here, I think. And I think I'm going to feel it when the game starts. But it's great to have everyone out. It's going to be a beautiful Saturday.
Who do you have for the World Cup? Who do you have for the World Cup?
Oh, who do I have?
Yeah. Who are you cheering for?
I'm hoping, I'm half French, so, you know, I have my hopes up for France, even though they're not a very well-liked team. But honestly, I don't know. I actually don't follow football. I don't play football, but I love hanging out here. So I actually don't follow football. I don't play football. I don't play football. Here we are.
Always bring us together today. Like I used to play in Italy when I was a kid, like every day in the streets, just like this for like hours. So it brings me back to that. And yeah, man, love to have you guys here and fucking smash it.
All right, much respect, bro. Challenge. Crossbar challenge, Louis C.K. Oh! Challenge, Louis C.K. Oh! We got it. Ah, we got that. The highlights. Ah. Yeah, from out here, so. Bahala. Ah. Well, you got the goal challenge. Keep it real.
Okay. Enough being nice people and talking about football unites, and these people in the dark shirts today are getting their ass whooped. I'm talking him. Get all of them, record them, and then you'll see after that what I spoke came true. So that's all I have to say. I'm here for fun, but I'm here to also show them that the dark side is not the good side. So good luck to them, yeah?
What do you mean by the dark side?
Oh, shit. No, cut. Sorry, no. I tried to make it. No. Cut.
Luis, World Cup prediction.
World Cup prediction for what? England or for
Overall, who's gonna win?
England?
Who's really gonna win?
Who's really going to win? France, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah. Mbappe, Olise, Dembele, Cherky. Who else? I don't know.
What do you think about Camavinga not being in the squad?
Honestly, I don't really follow the Spanish team. I don't know what kind of season he's had at Real Madrid. Is he in the Real Madrid team?
Yeah.
I would take him in Newcastle, put it that way. He's a good player. So if he's not in the squad, something's went wrong. I don't know if he's best. Is he best right back or is he best centre mid? So yeah. I would probably want him in centre mid. And I don't know who else is in that French midfield.
Chouameni, Rabiot.
Is he the one who's caused a bit of beef recently?
Yeah, just a little bit.
I think France or Spain.
I really want Spain to get the World Cup, but I would say Portugal maybe, if they can.
Why?
Because of Ronaldo.
Why?
Because of Ronaldo. I mean, like, they deserve it because they have been fighting well. Either that or, I mean, statistically speaking, I think France is looking really good. And so is England. But let's hope. Let's hope Spain gets it.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo. Eyes closed.
Why?
All for
Why?
over. I grew up as a Manchester United fan. Seen him like all my years through football. And I think he's the most complete player ever.
Okay. You are a football coach.
Yeah.
As a coach, who is the better player?
If my team is losing, and if I the thing is like, I would choose Ronaldo over everything. I would choose Ronaldo over everything. I would choose Ronaldo over everything. I would choose Ronaldo over everything.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm sorry. Oh my God! We're down. Oh my God! Guys, take a picture. Hey, take a picture. Take a picture, please, please. Oh my God! I love you, bro.
My son telling you that.
Bro, yes, bro. Hey, I love you, bro. Ronaldo, I'm a big fan, bro. Ronaldo, look. I got you right here. Hey, wait, Suey. Ronaldo, Suey. Ronaldo, Suey. I love you, bro. Hey, take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture. Hey, take a picture. Oh my God, bro. Did you read that? Okay, I'm sorry. Oh my God. I love you so much.
I mean, he's the most complete player because if we want our teams to score goals, and the thing is, Ronaldo is the guy to do that. The thing is, like, even if he plays in the midfield, he has the vision to give you that, like, a good pass. If you put him in the box, he will go up, score there with a header. He'll score, I don't know, he'll go there for a tap-in. He'll poach all the balls, and even if he plays like playing far out, he'll dribble in, shoot, he can score free kicks. But the thing is, like, they both are different. Like, I grew up as a Ronaldo fan, doesn't mean I hate Messi.
But who
would you want to coach?
Who would you want to, if you had a team and you had to get one player in it as a coach and you wanted to win a title, who are you taking?
I would say Ronaldo.
I think you're in denial.
100%. No, but like the thing is like a team needs to like score goals. That's why I mean like Ronaldo statistically and like in every other way as well, he's the better goal scorer. But Messi of course like he's magic. Like trust me, but like clutch moments, I would definitely pick Ronaldo. In big games he shows up.
You said statistically. Who has the better goal to match ratio?
Lionel Messi. Oh. But like the thing is like I'm a fan. That's why like you know like it's loyalty and of course like it's not that I underappreciate Messi.
Okay, so you're a loyal coach and a logical coach.
Well, a bit of both.
Tonniel, Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Why?
Because Ronaldo is a beast. He know how to win. You know what I say? He will do everything he need for win. He will even play dirty.
So you say Messi doesn't do everything to win?
Yeah, but I don't think he willing to go the extra mile for win.
You know Messi has won the World Cup and Ronaldo hasn't.
I know that. But also, we can say that Messi was paved the road going to that finals. The road was smooth going to that final.
Okay.
Yes.
right. Nick, yeah. Messi or Ronaldo?
Always been a Messi fan. Die one Messi fan. But they're both amazing players. But I think every time Messi touches the ball, magic happens, and I think that makes him the best player ever. No questions for me, huh? You like what you're hearing?
I am biased. I'm a Messi fan. But okay. Okay.
No, I'm kidding. I don't want no questions.
You know what? You say you don't watch football, so I can't really question you about football. Francesco. Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Why Ronaldo?
It's just been like my idol since I was a kid, so I'm not gonna change it now. It's just the best, I think. He always shoots for the best. He trains as the best.
What
He
makes
thinks
him
as
the
the
best?
best. His mentality, probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Mentality, attitude, like willingness of train every day more than anyone else. So yeah, I guess that makes it different.
all right. Much respect.
Cheers.
Yeah, I mean. Messi or Ronaldo?
For me, Ronaldo always.
Why Ronaldo?
He's just the disciplined one. I think he's the most complete player. Messi has some advantages, definitely. But I think Ronaldo is the one I would put in like the last 10 minutes of a game. And he's the one who decides the game then.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Macedonia, Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi, bro. Messi.
Why Messi?
Messi, bro. It's not a question, bro. If someone comes to you and says Ronaldo is better than Messi, you know that they're shit at football and they have shit football knowledge, bro. That is clear as a day, bro.
Yeah.
You have the proof just 2 days ago when he lost yet another final and he's talking about being old and being in the nice leagues. For 5 years, I think he has no trophy. He hasn't showed up in a big final in 5 years. Messi took Inter Miami from 17th place to first place, won them trophies, made them even more popular. So, I don't know, it's just... And if we start speaking about World Cup, Ballon d'Ors, Golden Boots, we can talk about tomorrow and someone will still not accept the fact that Messi is the best to ever do it, bro.
Who's going to win the World Cup?
Oof, World Cup. Fuck, man, it's hard. I want Spain to win. But if I'm being honest, France is also up there. So the final, I think, will be Spain and France because so far they're the powerhouses right now. They have the best teams.
All right. Luis, Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
Why Messi?
Just obviously. Just the look of him, the look of the player, the skills, the dribbling. And he's just better in pretty much every stat, but forget stats. You just watch him.
Boys, you're late. Muy tarde. Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Why Ronaldo? ¿Por qué Ronaldo?
He's the best. He's the GOAT.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Luis Díaz.
Chucho. ¿Por qué?
Lucho colombiano, se sabe.
Ay, vale.
Yuri no ha venido.
No, yeah. So we're playing bibs. Petos. Show the petos. So it's petos. Petos in petos. One more. Whichever one. It's in petos. Yeah, they have the bibs. Yeah. Yamin then. The German champion. All right, vamos. Yeah, half an hour. Yeah, let's change the teams after half an hour. Yeah, that makes sense, no? No, go and play bebop. Mic up. Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi. I hear that's unpopular around here, but definitely Messi.
Why Messi?
Whose shirt you got on?
No, so you're choosing Messi because I'm wearing a Messi jersey? Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi,
¿Por qué Messi?
el mejor del mundo, te sabes. Messi, el mejor. Siempre, la pulga Messi. Vizca Barça también.
Hola. Messi o Ronaldo?
El América.
Messi,
¿Por qué Messi?
porque a mi marido le gusta Messi.
Sammy, Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Why Ronaldo?
more diversity in leagues.
Yeah, we're ready. We're ready.
Premier League, La Liga, what's it called? The Italian League. Like more diversity. Too.
Saudi League that he hasn't won.
Not yet.
Well, he might win this one. He's 3 points away.
That's true. That's true. We'll see.
Who's gonna win the World Cup, Sammy?
This guy. France are gonna win it.
Not England?
Nah, fuck it. It's coming home. It's coming home. You can beat that.
All right, people. Davaine
Mamo.
here with some
Yeah, man, Mamo.
commentary. Big ball game. Davaine
Right.
and Tonniel, Sin Peto, and I'm on a Bib versus the Bib team. These are just some highlights, you know. But what a game it was. Fun. Very hot day, 30 degrees. Today was not my best performance.
Press him,
It
press him,
was
press
probably
him.
one of my
Press
worst
him, press him.
performance playing football at this thing. I think missed about 50 shots. Watch it,
All
watch
right,
it,
sit
watch it.
there.
Oh, 360 and pass. Ball line.
That's all.
Good pass.
On the left.
Good vision. Lewis there. Free on the left
back.
with Lewis. I'm free on the left.
Look back.
Thank you. Bad pass. But I think that was a handball
Boom.
still.
Boom.
Oh!
See, tell you.
Alright. Pressure Macedonia. I like
Go
the ball
to
line and play like basically a little bit.
Tony,
too much
man
and
behind.
keep ball close to him feet.
Ah.
Boom. Good block, Tony. Good block. Go on, me and
Pressure,
Francesco,
pressure.
Mr. Italy. On the wing.
Fire!
Put a source of the ball go. Good stop,
That
Tony.
was-
Good stop.
Mike.
Then Tony get it. Good pass. Good vision. Davaine. Good pass
Slow,
again.
slow.
Wall.
Alright, back to Tony.
Side of him. Are you that?
The vision they did it, man. The vision they did it.
Get him, get him.
Pass and get the ball. Tell the truth, people. Bibs on the game.
Goal or in?
Me and spoil it from now. Bibs on the game. But we still get
Vega!
some goal. It never by far. What a pass. The man deal with stuff.
Oh!
I should have taken the shot.
Oh!
That should have been a
No,
shot.
no,
Instead, we
inside.
decided to be unselfish and pass the ball. Francesca again. Ooh, good goal. Boy, a ball line. Good goal. Good goal. Good goal.
Good. Take it away.
Davaine, 1-2.
Hey!
On the left. Finish with the left, no brother.
Pardon.
Finish with the left. Why you put it on the
Go to the
right?
next line.
Come here. Yeah, I mean, ooh, good stop, keeper. Keeper. Well done, Vichy. Well done. Vichy, we never get enough of your highlights. So the man who saying can play ball. Good vision. Davaine miss again. Jesus Christ,
vision.
the blood knot. My foot need a compass last
Straight.
Sunday.
Back to
Good
me.
pass. US back. Good shot. Good block. This keeper is a good keeper still. That's it. Get him back to defend. Francesca alone free. Boom.
Go,
Good,
that's it.
good stop again, Vichy. Good stop
Hey.
again.
Lewis is there.
Center.
Yeah. Right, Macedonia. See it? See him skip pass? Jesus Christ. You know, so the ball after a goal it come off from my foot and go into the goal.
You two alone.
Vichy,
Pass it,
Vichy,
pass it.
Lewis, tap it.
That's it, that's it, that's
easy, easy tap it.
Yeah.
Feel like them might perform better when me up on the
That's
bench to blood clot.
Lewis, have it.
Lewis, this
Give him back.
one took a
Goal.
minute.
Ah,
This one
good
took a
goal.
minute.
Good
Two
fucking
goals,
goal.
two
Let's
goals,
go.
That's
two
it, that's
goals,
it, that's
two
it.
goals in rapid
Yeah,
succession.
man.
Dress those, vamos.
Yep, at this point it was 3-2. They were leading.
Too far behind you, Tonniel is free.
We don't show all of the goals then people because we never get the clip of all the goals then because sometimes we don't have the cameraman.
Vichy, you're solo.
So
Man
Vichy
on,
solo,
man coming.
Vichy one.
Go, Vichy,
one.
you alone.
Take him
Come
on,
on.
Vichy. Boom! Good shot, good shot. But the keeper
back,
is
get
a
back,
good
get back.
keeper.
Stop, stop.
What, Camilo, great freaking keeper.
Time, that's it. You and Vichy, Have it.
Hey.
Tonniel is there. Ah, that's it, 3-3. Let's go.
Nice one.
See it there. Easy game, easy
Vichy,
game.
make up for that one.
Alright, see it there. See how him keep the ball
He's
close
not
to foot
shooting.
Macedonia. Oh, good vision. What a
Unlucky,
vision.
unlucky.
That was everything in the pass. Splitting the players
Vichy.
down the middle there. Davaine. Oh my God, Davaine, you're disappointing to blood. Nah, put a compass on your foot.
Yeah. We got him.
Davaine again. Oh, Vichy shoot!
Oh, Vichy!
Jesus Christ, Vichy didn't want to shoot. Alright. Yeah, I mean, German.
Who's coming back?
That's it. Boom! Buckler. Sometimes you have to put your body on the line. Yeah, man, go on a road. Good shot.
Here come.
Take it now.
Alright, Lewis there. Lewis and Vichy.
Good.
Ooh, unlucky.
Sure.
Alright, counter attacking.
Nah,
Hell no.
Turn no
I'm
ball.
not that fast. Ain't you saying? Oh, God.
Yo!
Yes, people. This happened to Tonniel. Yes. I couldn't stop watching it. He went home after this, people, and I think he will not be playing football for a few Sundays. He's still picking up his nanny. That was everything. He had enough nutmeg there to make a banana bread. Oh my God. He's been spiced up. Megged. Probably the most brutal play of the day. Caught on camera. 4K. But back to the game. It's a baller, big baller there. Good pass. 1, 2. No, take the shot. Miss. Alright. See the man who say him can't play ball, eh? Zizou. Yeah, oh, he gave away a penalty before that with the handball and we didn't catch that. Boom, 2 goals in rapid succession. That's how I go on. We should pick up yourself for the camera, bro. Good. Oh yeah, that was my first goal, people. I think I scored 2 goals. But that was the first goal. Watch it. Time my shoelace. They didn't even stop for me, you know, watch it. Half shoelace tie, that's the reason I missed. You know, not making any excuses about me having a problem, a GPS coordinates on my right foot. And the fact that I don't have a left foot. Solo! Jesus. I could not believe he missed that one. That would have been the one to tie the game, but we lost. Good game, people. And, you know, do the thing. Like, share, subscribe. All of them things there. Big up on yourself. Bro, you played, man. You played.